Today we're trying out Dave's Hot Chicken, and we did get the X-Men meal. X-Men 97. This is what the packaging looks like. This was $13.99, and if you add the tax, it was like 14 and some change. I did get the slider with the French fries. Here's their toy. This is what the meal looks like. Let's see what the X-Men toy is. Here's the base right here. It says X-Men 97. All right, there's the little character there. Let's check out this slider. Fries, looking good, seasoned. Nice and hot. Got a little crunch to it. So their slider is a pretty good size. That chicken's pretty big. It does have the coleslaw, has the pickle on there. I did get the medium heat. This is really good. All right, guys, so for this meal, on a scale from 1 to 10, I would rate this an 8.5, mainly because it doesn't come with a drink. You know, for the price of this, you would think that it would come with a drink. All right, guys, so that's it for this review. Please hit that like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.